Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to stand out in a crowd. Whether it's at school, work, or in social situations, standing out can help you make an impression and achieve your goals. So, let's dive in. Tip 1. Be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to standing out. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and don't be afraid to take risks. Speak up and share your ideas, and don't be afraid to be yourself. Tip 2. Develop a unique skill or talent. Having a skill or talent that sets you apart can help you stand out. Whether it's playing a musical instrument, being proficient in a certain language, or having a special hobby, having something that makes you unique can help you make an impression. Tip 3. Network and build relationships. Building relationships with people in your field or industry can help you stand out. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and help you make connections that can benefit you in the long run. Tip 4. Dress for success. The way you present yourself can also help you stand out. Dressing professionally and keeping a polished appearance can help you make a good first impression and show that you take pride in your appearance. Tip 5. Be persistent and never give up. Standing out takes time and effort, and it's important to be persistent in your efforts. Keep pushing forward, even when faced with obstacles, and don't give up on your goals. And there you have it. Our tips on how to stand out in a crowd. Remember, standing out is about being confident, developing unique skills, building relationships, dressing for success, and being persistent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tips and tricks.